This is a favorite one for the kids. We're going to do some chicken fingers or chicken, whatever you call those nugget things. But we're going to kick them up a few notches. Watch this. First, we're going to make a crust. We're going to take pecans. All right, so we're going to make a little crust. And then we're going to season our little crust with some essence. Because I don't know where your crust comes from, but my crust doesn't come seasoned. I think the audience is having a serious effect on me tonight. All right. We got the crust. Now let me show you the other interesting thing that we're going to do. The finer you let it go, the finer the crust will be. I don't think that you should go too long. And this is one of those great dishes the kids like, not fried, it's baked, you know, that sort of thing. So you got the crust. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take a couple of eggs. And instead of using the traditional milk or a little bit of water for this, take a little bit of olive oil. Shh. Now, a little essence in there. It almost like emulsifies, like you're going to make a dressing, right? Like if you put the eggs, if you didn't have egg and you added the oil, then you'd have like a vinaigrette, right? But if you add the egg and then you add the oil, then you have an emulsion dressing. So we're going to season these little, you know, I just took the breasts and, oh yeah. Then we season them, dip them inside the egg. Well, you know, the big thing is when you're working with chicken, right? I rinsed this about 4 times already under cold water. Then, of course, now I got to clean the cutting board, you know, wash the hands 5 times. You know the story. Now, kids can help with this in the crust. Look at how simple that is, huh? Shake off the excess. Wouldn't you like to be jumping in a pile of nuts? God. It's a new amusement park. I'm going to go down there and tell my friends at Universal. Anyhow, 375 degrees. You can kick it up to 400 too. Get them a little crispier. So we'll put them in the oven. Quick little sauce. I take this Creole mustard. It's like a grain mustard, a whole grain mustard. It's got a little spice to it. Mayonnaise, Creole mustard, and then as much honey as you like. You want it sweeter? You can add that much. Or you can add it all if you like it sweeter. Okay? The honey will instantly get in there. Makes a fantastic, simple, easy dipping sauce. Look at this. Okay? So now the kids are all happy. Got real chicken. All right, so we got the dipping sauce. This took about 25, 30 minutes. See, and they're still pretty light. They're not heavy. They're really light. The nutty flavor. So what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of that Creole mustard dipping sauce. Little parsley. Maybe some chives. Certainly a little essence. Bam, bam. There you have it, folks. It's baked, not fried.